Hi, and welcome to the Multicultural Marketing class. I'm Dr. Velasquez, and I'm going to be your instructor for this class. And it's a pleasure for me to share with you this journey through the multicultural market in the United States. This is my first time teaching at West Virginia University, and I'm very excited of having this opportunity. I have more than 15 years of experience teaching communication, marketing, advertising, culture, and Spanish in Spain, Mexico, and in the United States. And also, I'm very excited because we are living in a multicultural country, and I really believe that we have to know all the segments that are part of this country before we be able to design a very good marketing plan. As you know, currently in the United States, the Spanish-speaking population is the fastest growing segment. There are more than 40 million of Hispanic living in this country, buying and consuming their products and services, and also learning how to communicate in this new world for them, always trying to reach the American dream. Also, we have advertising agencies, media, and business who are focusing their effort to target this segment. And in order to get this goal, they are using different elements such as culture, image, and language. Unfortunately, sometimes those elements are not used appropriately, especially the Spanish language, which every so often packet of grammatical mistakes. It seems that speaks to a group of ignorant and valueless Hispanic. Unfortunately, the same situation is happening with other groups or segments of the market present in the United States. That's the reason why in this class we will explore the Hispanic market in the United States along with other groups that are also living and buying and consuming products and services here in this country, such as African American, Indian, Chinese, gay, lesbians, etc. We will exploring their characteristics, values, ideas, customs, etc., and its impact on the American business, and the American advertising, media, marketing, etc. And also, we will learn some strategies to marketing in a multicultural country. As I said before, it's a pleasure for me to be your instructor, and I really hope that you enjoy this journey with me. And please, do not hesitate to contact me by email or phone. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. Please be in touch. Thank you so much, and I'll see you here.